East-West produces aerospace life support and ground support equipment on military contracts.
Sub-Zero Group is a manufacturer of luxury appliances.
Relaunching an iconic brand like Radford.
We're the company that someone comes to and they need it built the first time.
Anything where a fluid has to be moved from point A to point B, Graco is a product that does that.
This is the first independently developed supersonic jet ever made.
Something that additive manufacturing has totally changed for us. Part printed on the Stratasys F770 for about $500 compared to $8,000 with conventional machining.
So luge is essentially ultimate sledding. I just built a sled based off of recommendations from an engineer who works with a NASCAR team, and now it's in a Stratasys printer. As we speak, that thing will be done and ready for China.
The biggest thing with having the 770 in the lab is that we're going to be able to keep bigger parts in-house. Probably 30–40% in savings for us to keep it in-house, which is huge.
Additive manufacturing has really been a huge benefit to East-West. By allowing us to evaluate things early in the process, we can 3D print things very quickly.
Now, a customer can hypothetically walk in, change that detail, and we can create a unique part, like a door card, that suits our customer. We get that one-off experience, and we have the ability to do that at the press of a button.
3D printers have multiple value for us. It's great in the iteration phase of the project. We use them for field testing and product testing. So having a wide variety of material options available that are all easy to use, quick turnaround parts meets a lot of these different needs and goals that we have.
We had used our FDM printers that we have here in the back from Stratasys. We use them non-stop.
For every next-gen car, there is a 3D printed NACA duct in the bottom of the floor. Those items are there for driver cooling.
Rapid prototyping is a big part of what we do for Whirlpool. We bring designers' ideas to life. 85% of everything we do is 3D printed.
Our designers, using in-house 3D printers from Stratasys, were able to iterate faster and ultimately come up with parts that are better designed, that are more lightweight, for less time and less money that would have taken otherwise.
I'm definitely a fan of Stratasys. We've been using Stratasys machines for over 20 years. Actually, we have some machines in the shop that are 20 years old and still running. Run them daily.
They're made extremely well. I just look at that Fortis 900 that we have, and that thing's just solid, rock solid machine.
The knowledge that Stratasys has been able to bring to the table and work with our coaches on has been invaluable.
The machine's been really excellent from a not just accuracy and reliability, but also repeatability. The machine is ready to go pretty much whenever we are.
I've been a partner with Stratasys for the last 20+ years in 3D printing. I've had great customer service. The printers have been rock solid. You put a job in there, the next day you have your part.
Walking into the rapid prototype room and seeing the Stratasys 770 is like the ultimate wow factor for us.
We know that if we put a part on it, it's going to print well, and we're going to have no issues with it.
We run them hard. Those machines never shut off. We're in there Saturdays and Sundays changing them over because we need the machine time, we need the throughput.
So it really has created a very high level of an ROI from a business standpoint.
Having Stratasys as a competition partner for NASCAR is a natural progression of the relationship we've always had.
The strength of what we have here is our partners, and Stratasys is one of those.
Very reliable, dependable equipment.
The support and service is second to none.
I really don't know where we'd be without them.
We wouldn't have the car we've got today without Stratasys involved.
Stratasys wants to make us better, and this is fantastic.